Hi guys, I'm Oliver. So today we're doing art and craft. So you'll need scissors and a blank piece of paper. So we'll be doing a spring and also a moving mouth. But it's not really moving though, you have to make it move. So first we're doing the spring. So cut a thin piece of paper. So I'm gonna I'll start from here and cut along until you think it's long enough. I think this is long. And then cut on the top, so if I did it this long, I would cut it here so it'll fall out. So see? I'm gonna cut here's one. So first you're going to put it like this, fold it, then fold it a different way, and keep doing it again and again. So just do lines. It's quite easy though. And then here you have a spring. Oh, mine was too small. So yeah, it's like that. Oh, mine's not really perfect. So we'll move on to smile face. We'll have to do the same thing but two. So just look at me and do it. Don't do this again but 2 times. There's something you need. So cut a long piece of paper, but yeah, as thin as you want, but it can't be too thin. So just like this, I'm just gonna cut this off, so I don't need it. Okay. I'm starting off to cut my long strip of paper. Try and make the long strip of paper the same size. But sometimes it can be quite hard with art and craft. So just take your time. And pause this video if you need time though. So next, we do this thread, like this. So see mine, it's too long. I'll just cut off it. Boom, cut off. You can put it in the bin, but I'll just put it here for now. Okay, so first, we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to do both of them, so
go.
Okay, so we're going to do the same thing, zigzag, zigzag. Okay, I'm going to do mine. I'm just going to put it into place again. Zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. Okay, I'm going to put it into place again. Here. So when you spread it out, you do like this. So see? It's like this. So you do this and let go a bit. It's like a talking face. Okay. That's all for today's video. Bye guys. Hope you have a lovely day.